guys, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video is going to be all about this beautiful unit from ULAHAIR. Hopefully I said that right, ULAHAIR. But I just always want to start by showing you guys all the amazing goodies that I usually get in all of my package. Now, when you purchase this unit, if you decide to purchase it, you will pretty much get the same things that I'm getting in this package. So you're gonna get a comb, a wig cap, and also it comes with like a little booklet to kind of show you guys, you know, the instructions of do's and don'ts when taking care of this unit. They also threw in some lashes in there, which I love. So yeah, this unit is so beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see it on me. It's a pretty easy unit to actually rock. As always, I love sharing with you guys the customization of this unit. It does come with three combs, one at the bottom, two on the side, and yeah, those are the only combs that come in this unit. And it also comes with an adjustable strap and an elastic band, so you know your unit is not going anywhere. And I love when they have these in the units, because obviously I'm not going to glue the unit down. I'm just going to wear a wig cap and throw it on. Such an easy unit to actually throw on and go. I love it. Now, she is a full unit, okay? So this girl is 250 density, so she's extremely full, and also the bangs are extremely full. So I want to show you guys the back, because if you wanted to rock this unit in a high ponytail, you can do that, all right? It looks pretty good. If you want a headband just to hide the back, girl, this unit will look stunning on. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my straightener and just fix up the bangs. I was literally thinking when I was doing this, like, girl, this is too thick for my liking, but I also kind of like it, because that means the unit is gonna last me a pretty long time. But yeah, she's full, and that's all I gotta say about her. She's full. She takes heat amazing. So I did use this straightener to also straighten the unit out, because I was going to grab my wand curl and curl this unit up. But at first I was debating whether I wanted this unit to be, you know, super straight, and then I leave it like that, or just curl it. So yeah, I wanted to make sure it's straightened first, and then I went ahead and grabbed my wand curl just to add some curls into this unit. And just like that, the curls are done, and this is how she looks. Very pretty. I loved how full she was, because the curls just looked even more full. I love when units are full because the curls are gonna just look so bomb. Oh my gosh. So I did go ahead and just grab this Silk and Shine oil just to make sure. I mean, the unit was not dry, but I do love applying this because it smells amazing, and it also like really makes the unit just stand out even more. But yeah, girl, I will link this unit down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And I also have a discount code for you guys. It is EK20, save you some money. All right, take advantage of that discount code so you do not have to pay full price for this unit. Again, such an easy unit to throw on. Honestly, this unit could take you 3 minutes to throw on and go. If you want to style her, then it might take a little longer, but it did not take me more than 30 minutes to style this unit. She's stunning. All right, my love, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Now, Sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.